both get out, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're back into Whalley now.
Ah. Whalley? Is splashing again, or are we turning right?
Do you want a sheep?
Honestly.
Do you want a sheep?
Giving you plenty of notice.
Oh,
wow, yeah.
How am I going to strap one of them to the back?
You'd be surprised how well I can get underneath that fucking spider bungee. Look at the water running down that window on your left, love.
Oh, God. That's weird.
Yeah. That's one way of people seeing him.
Look at that, an electric thingy at middle of the street.
Cool.
That's
Go straight over.
Straight over, yeah. That's when you know that you're in a village of money.
Oh, that looks pretty. I'll stop there.
Whalley Wine Bar. Yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah.
Look, he's got a dog in his backpack.
Oh! That's so cute!
Hey up, what's that? Is it? Looks nice anyway.
Yummy.
Yeah, I was an old Yamaha, that.
Shut up.
I wasn't going to say a word.
Tend to be in the dynamic rider mode, and my suspension's set on minimum.
You know, I've only ever used dynamic once.
Oh, change it to dynamic.
I know it's another animal, isn't it?
It's really good. It's so much more.
The throttle response is so much linear and so smooth.
Yeah. Telling me to turn right here, right?
Okay.
But if I demonstrate what you was on about earlier, if we turn left, it will reroute.
Right. Okay.
All
okay.
Right.
We'll go whichever way you want.
Yeah, we'll do a left. Yeah, rerouting, picked it up now.
Right. So that's now rerouted you back on, so it's changed to the road that we're on now as opposed to turning right.
Yeah. See, it wants us to turn right here.
Right, okay.
But like I say, I'll go straight on, because I'm looking at a clock and I don't want to miss somewhere for lunch or whatever.
Sure, yeah.
But it'll reroute us straight away.
Okay.
But the other thing as well is, if you have the premium, so like I set the destination as, I think I set it for Bridge 64, right?
Right.
So straight away, you two are with me, so I could have sent that route to you straight away within the app, and you'd have got it. Yeah. You'd have got it straight away. So we're all singing off
all
the
on
same
the same route. Ah, right. Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. Well, I'd just like to say that my fuel consumption and the amount of miles to empty has gone up to 225.
Cool. Yeah, so's mine. Mine's gone up to 346.
376.
So you've got better fuel range than me.
But that's probably because I'm in road and not dynamic.
Ah, maybe, yeah.
Because I have noticed as well, if you're in rain mode, the fuel is astronomical. Do you remember me and Tony brought you up here, Jolene? And we come from the other direction and we went up there to the right. And that's where the private school is.
Yes.
I've got a feeling we're going to have to dispose of this Citroen. And this is where them lovely houses are on hillside here, see?
Yeah.
Oh look, he's built a carport to put his plastic pig in.
Oh no, that's so sweet. gorgeous.
I am, but the scenery's not bad either.
I noticed you're looking at my behind when you say that. I'll tell you the other good thing as well with Calimoto. Do you have the BMW Connected app?
Yes.
Right, so you can save, you can do a route in Calimoto, because I find Calimoto really easy to work with compared to the BMW Connect. You can export a route from Calimoto in GPX, and you can import it into the Connected app really easily. This road here, this is the road that we went up, me and Tony, on the first ever ride together, believe it or not. First time we ever went out together, we come up here, and there's a parking area just at the top of the hill, and it's absolutely stunning looking out over the
Wow.
I said to him, I said, you know, it's a bit sad that I remember where we've been, when we've been, and all that kind of stuff. And he says it's remarkable. you know, like you can remember where you've been, and it's such a time and that.
I mean, that's what coming out and riding's all about for us. Remember going to certain places at certain times.
Yeah.
Can it be lavender or heather?
Heather.
It'd be heavy, wouldn't it?
It'd be heathers.
Pretty mad, isn't it?
Car coming.
Car.
Yeah.
Oh, can I get some heather? Oh.
Yeah, get ready for this. Get ready for this. Look at that.
Wow.
Ow.
Oh my
And then look at this in front in a second.
Did you say there was somewhere to park? Oh,
There's Blackpool
my
Tower.
God.
Blackpool Tower.
yeah.
Fantastic.
What fucking hell?
Look at
Can we
this.
pull up?
Didn't think we were that far away from home.
Well, believe it or not, I bet direct. I bet it's only about 20 mile.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah, the way the crow flies, as Joe said.
Yeah. We could pull
Oh,
it here, but
wow.
it's not very safe for the bikes.
No, back there would have been better because that's right on the top of the hill.
Yeah. This is a bit steep going down, from what I remember.
Oh,
Lovely. Lovely, chobbly. Oh, I like that. 20%
Oh, wow.
gradient. Woohoo!
It's weird, isn't it? Like I say, we're not that far from Blackburn, we're not far from Blackpool, and Preston's only a stone's throw away, and look at it.
Yeah, you'd think you were in the fucking Lake District somewhere.
Yeah.
But I've got a fucking Phoenix in my wallet. Anything that comes out burns up straight away.
Left here.
Saying about subtle differences, Stu, about changing things. Well, these bikes have linked braking. So if you apply the front brake, it applies a certain percentage of back brake at the same time.
Yes.
And if you go quite hard on the front brake,
clear.
and then you go put your toe on the back brake, as you go for your toe for the back brake, as you release the front, the pedal actually comes up to meet your boot. It's weird.
Yeah.
That still catches me off guard. That does.
Yeah.
I go for the brake pedal and it's not there.
In fact, no, we'll go straight on.
Okay.
Sat nav's direction straight on, but.
How's Tony getting on with his new bike? Does he love it?
Oh, absolutely loves it. Yeah. Yeah.
I haven't seen him for a while. In fact, I think the last time I saw him was when you took us to that campsite place at the harbour.
Oh,
that you guys stay at.
Yeah, that's where we're going to go now.
Oh, is it? Ah.
Yeah, Bridge 60. Well, yeah, it's called Bridge 64, the cafe, and the campsite's called Bridge House Marina.
Right.
Oh. Oh, I did stop for you pill.
Thank you.
Oh Christ, I forgot how nice this is here. Look at this.
Yeah.
The bellflower? Oh, looks like a very nice pub, that does.
Yes, doesn't it?
It's not as nice as it makes out.
Oh, it's Marsden's.
Yeah, that's fair enough.
I'll tell you what, if you want a nice, and this is going to sound really daft, if you want a nice meal, right,
Yeah.
this place where we're going now, Thursday, Friday
Right.
or a Saturday, the food is unbelievable. It is so
No
good.
flashing, Stuart.
It is so good. Here we are, left here.
Might have to put my jumper on.
Give her
Oh,
over.
it's not that cold.
Behave yourself. It's not the North Sea though.
Oh, it's
Ah.
a bit dead.
You'll get me there one day.
Are they still serving?
Strictly no parking. Please use the car park. What?
The door's open, isn't it?
Yeah?
Yes. Well, the left-hand door's open
Yeah.
at the reception.
Yeah, we better park in there, I think.
No, I'm not, because there's nowhere for me to go.
Why is that? Maybe do a big fucking circle like I did.
You sure?
Yeah, you used to fucking all that car park space.
Whee! I didn't think there'd be enough room.
Yeah, fucking loads of room.
Okay,
Loads of room.
up the middle.
He said.